Hi, this is my submission for the challenge project build technical enhancements. So I'll start with the first part of the requirement, that's the lead entry. So for the lead entry, after you install the latest version of the package, you can see there's an app that says Bell. When you click on Bell, you'll have all these tabs. So when you click on the lead entry, that is when it takes you to the page where you can enter the details about the lead. So let's see. So if you do not click these two, what it's gonna do is it's gonna just end it over there. It says thank you and you're done. It creates a lead record, and you can see that it is not converted or opportunity is not created. You can come back anytime and you can click on the convert lead. It's going to auto populate the values and it will still ask you these two questions. So when you click on the next, so it takes a thank you and it asks you to click here to continue the conversation. So this is where you can basically choose and then click on next, and the partner accounts is also required now. So now the partners are created. So let me see. So you can see that email came in with the client data entry. So this is where the client enters the data. So one, you can put in all the values. Next, and so it has created the form, and you can see. Let me go to the email. Okay, so this is where the email goes to. Let me show you. So this is the opportunity, right? When enterprises, and we have added a partner called AT&T, right? So as per the requirements, now the email is going to the contact role with the role of service status validation. That a contact gets an email for the partner form. It doesn't have anything to do with the opportunity contact roles or anything. It sends it to the contact role that is defined on the partner account. So when you click on the link, it takes you to this page and you can see that it says welcome, and it shows you all the stuff. So test. So it's done and the form is filled now. If you go back, let's see. Oh, okay, here is so this is the opportunity where we have created everything. So it has the partner forms and the location. So this is one of the requirements to change the client form to the location. So the location name is Arkham City and the street and all the other details. And the partner form is also now attached to the opportunity. So you can see that it is attached to the opportunity. So it got saved. Another thing that's added is that the partner should not be able to click the form again and again and repeatedly enter the value. So for that I have created this object called email setup. So what email setup will do is it will create a request record that will have a unique identifier like this, a value, and it will attach, it will include that unique identifier in the email that is sent. So when a partner clicks on the request of on the link in the email and he processes the form, completes it, finishes it, what it does is uh, it creates this responded on. It adds the value to that one. So next time when you, let me show you, try to open that link again, it says that you already responded on. So that's basically how it's working. So that's pretty much it, and I made changes as per the requirements. Where the partner ID is being tracked on the partner form, and this one is done. And also, yeah, the bandwidth and variable class are shown to either only for the category class carrier services, and the category, this one is done. And I made the changes as per this table as well, and I removed all the stuff as per the below requirements. And as far as documentation is concerned, I did put in like all the documentation. So the demo that I've shown you is in a fresh developer org that I have created. So what I did was I added all this account type, account industry, and then I also included some test data for you. All you have to do is, let me show you. All you have to do is copy this test data and make sure that you change the email address over here, and then run this one in the execute anonymous, and it will create you some test accounts for you, and then you can basically use the application. The other thing that is important that I wanted to list out is regarding the products. Make sure that you set up the products correctly with the bandwidth and all, because some of the forms are using the bandwidth from the products, so that when you go to that form, it displays all the bandwidths correctly. So that's basically it. There is a lot of detail stuff in this project. So I'm sure that you'll have questions, and you can probably shoot me an email. But this is the main part of the application that's working. And if you have any other questions, just shoot me an email or let me know, and I'll look into it. Thank you. Bye bye.